Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, October the 15th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've made a mistake yesterday. Yesterday I've told you the news of the day. 372 days ago another war started. Well, should be 373 days, because this year we have a leap year. Yeah, a leap year, 366 days. So yeah, we have February the 29th, so 1 day more. Alright, that's for the next time. Alright, let me start with this one, the 3 star Sudoku number 9434. This one is this one has 27 printed digits, and usually the 3 stars, the publisher has indicated this with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, usually 25 printed digits, so 2 digits more should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 15, not 50, 15. And it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. 5, 5. Need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the last column, so no 4 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Can I do this here? 1 and the 4, no. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 2. Need a 9 there. Need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there we see another 4. In the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 6, 6. Need a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Here or there we see another 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 and 8, we have 1 now in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes down. 1 there. 2, 6, and a 9. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. 6 in this first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there, yes. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright. 2 and the 6. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 in this row should be there. Then, let me see. Need more 6s. 3, 3. I need an 8. And I need a 9 here. 9, 9. 3, 6. 9, 9. Alright. 9, 9, 9, 9. One here. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 7 there. What's happening? What's happening? Come on, come on. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left on the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there. Need a here. In this row, we need a 7. Here can be 7, we have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. So the 7 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column, so no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there. 7, 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now, we need to wait. How about 3 missing numbers now in this row? One of the missing number in this row is number 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 4, 3 and 4. Then, let me see. I need a 3 here. 3 missing numbers in this middle column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be down. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit 2, number 6. Then 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. 8 and a 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Right, 1 number left in this big square for number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Cannot continue with the 9. How about the 4 and the 7? 4, 7 and a 1. Need a 1 here. 3, 4 and the 7. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3 and a 9. Yeah. Oh, but the 4, 2, 4, 4. In this row, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the fifth column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3 and the 8. Okay, 1 box left now in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and 8. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row the only place level 3, show me there. And the final 2 numbers for numbers 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, we solved it again for, well, actually less than 50 minutes, because I think I have started at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I believe. Anyway, let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 15, but I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.